This weekend we're testing out the Kubota. We got it out on the property, we're driving around and doing a little bit of work with it. Why don't you come along and I'll show you how this thing works. Welcome to the Weekend Homestead. This week on the Weekend Homestead, we're running the Kubota. I'll show you some of the different things we do with it. We got the bucket back on, took the snow blower off. Gonna just run around the property. Matt's thinking about buying one, so I'm showing him what it does. Why don't you come along for our adventure today? Alrighty, what we're going to do is head over to the other side of the property here, over by the pumpkin patch. And we're going to run the excavator a little bit and show you guys how that works. So on the back of the tractor, we've got a standard excavator. Just runs off of the same system, just turn the seat around. You've got a 12-inch bucket on there. It will go down and it'll dig it up to 6 feet down, straight down. So you can reach out a pretty good distance and you can dig down a pretty good distance. We use it for a whole bunch of different style projects. We've cut drainage ditches, we've had to bury things out here, dig roots out, stumps, all that kind of stuff. Throughout the year we'll use this and I'll show you different things. We actually have the thumb attachment with ours, so that you can use it as a grapple and pick things up also. I'll kind of do some demos on how that works. Right now we just got Matt kind of demoing out how to dig a hole basically with it. Alrighty, like I said, BX25, great piece of equipment. Definitely something to look at if you got a hobby farm or a homestead or something like that. We use ours constantly. Today we're just kind of playing around and testing everything out, but definitely going to do a lot more projects as the summer goes along. Alrighty, so this has been the BX25D review. We just kind of took it out, gave it a little run the bucket a little bit, run the backhoe a little bit, kind of just digging a trench, messing around. But this year we're going to do a bunch of different projects out on the property, so make sure you like and subscribe this video, follow along. And if you click on the link up above, it'll have a connection to some of our other tractor videos. As time goes along, I'll keep dumping more of them into that playlist so you guys can follow along with how we use this piece. We're definitely going to run the brush hog, we're going to run the black back blade, and we're going to definitely run the postal digger when we start putting in the apple orchard, so stay tuned for those. This has been the Weekend Homestead, living the simple life, one weekend at a time. Thanks for watching.